As a fashion owner, you may ask yourself if you should use ads for your acquisition strategy or if you should hire an agency to let them do everything. But anyways, the budget is required and you may not invest in your brand right now. In this video, I will show you my best Facebook ad strategies that you can apply to your brand. But first things first, when to start Facebook ads? Should you launch your brand with Facebook ads? Or what exactly the moment when it's better to launch Facebook ads? Let's explore the topic and let's dive in. So when is the best time to start Facebook ads? If you're just launching your brand, forget about Facebook ads. You need to first understand your client, your ideal client, your target audience, have a proven website and sell at least 10 items a month with organic traffic. Consider having at least 200 to 300 people on your website daily to really start selling 1 or 2 orders per day. So to reach this amount of people, you can basically make Facebook ads if you can, or use various organic tools. If you are at the stage of having those recurrent orders, or you know exactly who is your ideal client and how to talk to them and where to find them online, I would definitely advise to launch Facebook ads now. But if you're just launching and you want to launch first with a teasing campaign and you want to create a buzz that people know your brand, I would advise to first focus on growing your email list to make more sales out of your first collection launch. Here's my best Facebook ads tactic. So you go first to your Facebook ads manager account and you set a leads gen Facebook campaign. You will optimize for your custom event that you have created before that will generally say that a lead has been generated when someone gets to your thank you page. This funnel looks like this: having a landing page to ask people to subscribe to your email list, having an offer that they cannot refuse, start recruiting emails with your lead generation Facebook ad, having email automation in place which will allow you to confirm to people that they are subscribed to your emailing list and that they will receive your new collection soon, having an email ready to go announcing your new collection online, and having a website page for selling your new collection. So if you know your ideal client, you will easily identify which audiences are best to target and put them into your initial campaign parameters. Then you will add 3 to 4 creative to make your ad more appealing to your target audience. And you need to have a nice ads angle that talks directly to your target audience. You need to define your target audience first, understand their interests, and then you start offering them a relevant content. The second type of Facebook ads is a conversion Facebook ads. This type of ads we usually launch at the more advanced stage when you have proven your website and offer consistent 5 to 10 sales a month. Here is the acquisition funnel and how it looks like. Have a very appealing home page with your best sellers on the top position. Create UGC content made by other people who wear your products. Have some nice images of your best sellers. Have a well-targeted message for your ideal client and use appealing titles so people click to know more. Use your ads as a native post. Don't try to look like an ad for a better engagement. Go to your Facebook Ads Manager and create a sales campaign with conversion for optimization. Use your pixel add to cart optimization and put your main interest for the audience you want Facebook to find. The ideal budget would be here at $20 to $30 per day to test 2 or 3 audiences. You need to test your content with several audiences before you stop your ad in case of not a good performance. So how do you track your ad performance? Well, you need to know how to measure the success of your campaigns and where to look for this information. I advise you to create your personal dashboard inside your ads manager and observe what are the acquisition costs, such as cost per add to cart, cost per purchase, cost per click, and how many people click, CTA rate, and how much do you pay for impressions, CPM costs. A special word about the content. Don't try to look like a brand style ad with your brand name, logo, etc. Don't do promo only ads. 50% off today, it will work but will not help you to build your brand image. Find content creators who can help you promote your product in the most authentic way and show how to wear your product, mix and match it with other pieces, or take care of your product. If you don't know where to start, go to Facebook Ads Library and search for brands similar to yours leaders in your niche and see what type of ads they are running. You should look like them, but you should understand what works for them and make similar content with your own unique style. Don't do traffic ads. This is something I hear regularly, even from Facebook people. Start with traffic campaign and then retarget them. Well, retargeting ads don't work that much today on Facebook ads because of the low volume of people to target. And especially for small businesses like yours, where the budgets are very low, you will have very few people to retarget. And then you basically pay for a click. The least engaging act from an advertising is to click. You just throw your money away. The minimum form of engagement you want from your audience is an email, right? Because with an email, you have more chances to sell them rather than with a click. Right? Besides, optimizing for a click brings you less engaging audience and worse quality because the bounce rate can be high and you will not even track it and you will not even know why your sales are still not there. So the only situation when I may do traffic ads is when you run a giveaway on your website and people will leave an email to participate in your contest. Having a specific operation on your website can help you convert this traffic into subscribers, and from there you can take them on the journey with your brand thanks to your targeted email automation campaigns. Why not simply hire an agency? I would totally not recommend that at the very early stage of your brand development. First of all, you don't control results and you don't know what they do. So it's like giving your money to the black box and hoping that this money returns with 10x investment. And secondly, agencies are good at maintaining a business that works. They know how to spend your money, not how to make your money. You tell them, my budget is 20K, they will spend it. Will you get money from this? No. I have a brand in my program. Before coming to us, she spent 20K during 3 months with an agency on her brand launch online. She trusted them because they had a reputation in the fashion industry, a major agency working with other major brands. Did she make money? No. Did she spend them? Yes. Like I told you, they know how to spend and distribute your budget, but they don't know how to bring your customers if you don't know them precisely and if you don't have yet existing proven website which converts. So what is your solution right now? Learn how to do ads. It's not a complicated science. It's just you being honest with yourself and telling yourself that you must understand your business and how it works, first of all, and find your product market fit, start selling with Facebook ads, and then hire an agency or a person to whom you will explain everything and how to manage your Facebook ads. So I hope you like this video and please subscribe and hit that like button to help our channel to grow. And if you want more videos like this or other topics, please comment in the comments below to let me know what your actual questions are. I also invite you to watch my next video where I show you the route to 10K a month with your fashion brand. And this video will come right after this one. See you there.